Walnut City Lights and Sunset Views home just listed. 20573 Missionary Ridge Street. Quiet cul-de-sac setting. Vaulted living room. Modern fireplace. Kitchen open to family room. Dining with backyard view. Upstairs glass rail plus sitting area. Primary bedroom with sunset view, double closets including walk-in. View patio, raised brick terrace, spacious lawn. Want a view home like this? Call, text Sofia Chang 626-800-7903.